So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see a new design in Catia. Actually the first, we can say that. So for that we can go for new, and we for search here, in here, sketch or part design. Go for part, click OK. Or what we can do, we can go for start, sorry, and let me close this first file. Close. Go for start, mechanical, sketcher, and let me switch off the internet such that no notification could be received. Yeah, that's okay. And part 1 here, we can give name over here and click OK. So the sketcher workbench is open now. What we can do here, we can go and select all the three planes. Actually we can select only one plane in all these three planes. So let's select XY plane, and it will come into the sketcher workbench. Now what we can do, we can just drag it over here, and let's suppose we have to design what we can design today. We can go with a rectangle. Select the center point. Let's draw like this. Today I have no idea what to design, so let's see what we can do. Let's, sorry, not this one, the second one, the constraint one, and select this one, give it a dimension like 80 is here. We can double click it and give it a dimension over here. So the dimension will what we are going to give is, I think we can go with 100 mm, and for the horizontal area again select this one and give it a dimension of 150. So double click over the and 150. So it's now a rectangle. Now what we can do, we can extrude it. That means what we have to do to extrude that is, we can go over here. You can see here that it is exit workbench. So let's exit the workbench, and what we have to do here, we have several tools. Let me put it over top, okay, and drag it towards here. So these are some tools that we can use to extrude. That means the padding, we have to pad these to the top. What will be the dimension of the padding will be, let give it I think 10 mm or 20 mm will okay. So let's click on preview, so it will show a preview of the padding. So we can go with okay, or we can mirror it extent. So the 20 mm this side and the 20 mm that side, it will draw from here. It's make very easy to draw from the SolidWorks. As we have seen the SolidWorks, we have to mirror it, and it's give in the Catia we have the mirror over here also. So let's hit OK. So there is a 40 mm drawing ready. So now what we can do, we can select this surface and go with the, here you see, and let me put some more over here such that we could utilize those. Let's hit sketch, and the side is now ready. So what we can do, we can zoom over here like this, okay, and now what we can do, we can go with some more sketches like select center, circle, and let's carve a hole over here. Let's give it a dimension of, let's suppose what we can give, we can go with 20 mm is okay, but let's go with 50 mm. Sorry, the 50 mm is much larger than this, so let's go with 40 mm. since we have. And now what we can do, we can go exit the sketch. Let me just drag this like this, such that you can see that there is 40 mm dimension, and actually we can reduce it to 38 mm, so that the whole body part doesn't got cut out. So exit the workbench. Now what we can do, we can either make a pocket over here, or we can go with the holes. So let's go with pocket, and increase the dimension to, I think, the 150 mm I have given the. Let's preview it. Yeah, and hit OK. So if we see over here, we can see that the hole is curved over this. We can also go with the hole. So here we can create multiple types of hole. We can go with blind, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Here are the types of the hole. This is the simple hole, and here tapered. If we carve a tapered hole, it will curve like this. Let's see a preview. So let me turn this like this. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so hit OK over here. Again we will see another. We will go with in a sequence. So that's all for today. We will see another tool in another video. So thank you. Bye bye.